Sup guys, come to work and a small packet came from Virtue Electronics. Let's do a live unboxing. The claw. Let's see. A nice case. And in the case, the new slim metal monks. They feel very nice. Oh, the cable is so nice as well. And I see they include an extra foam pack. And a bonus. And I like to thank Lee for including a spare BE Pro because I love them. And just in case one would die, I asked him if I could have another one, so I won't have to wait months, weeks of shipping. And he included that in my order. Thank you very much, Lee. So there you have it. Let's give it a listen. I have my Monk's lights here, so I can compare them to my Monk's lights.